Welcome to our bathroom.
Weird.
So in this video, we're going to show you the price breakdown for this bathroom that we just added, and then we're also going to show you
some design elements that we added to make it full of character, even though it's brand new and didn't exist here before.
Let's go.
So for reference, this bathroom is when you get to the top of the landing, and it's right here, and it is for the bedroom right there.
All right, so this bathroom, we actually built this wall and this wall, and it was our first time ever framing in a job. So the plumbing is all new behind it, the electrical is all new GFCI plugs. We have 3 different switches for the different fan. We added the exhaust fan up there, which all that's vented and done right. So this is downstairs. The bathroom you just saw is right up above here, so all the plumbing is running in the ceiling. And originally we wanted the plumbing to, there probably is going to be a little bump out right here, and then it didn't happen like that. So the plumber decided to do this. I'm going to go in the basement and show you. Look what they ended up doing. They cut our whole sewage pipe right through a joist. So all of it is PEX, and they cut it all the way through. We had so obviously it didn't pass the plumbing inspection, and then it didn't pass the framing inspection either. So what we had is, what I think an engineer had to write up was, they built this wall to kind of hold back the dirt back there, but underneath these 4x4s, there is a concrete footer that they had to pour to support this. So all of that is screwed in together and took a lot of work, and they had to re-lay out the joist underneath the bathroom and above the dining room, and they pretty much had to take out all the plaster and drywall and redo it all. So it took almost 3 months of work. And these 2 walls were plaster with drywall already over them. We left them, or we anchored the hardy backer board to the actual brick. This is a brick wall, as you can see behind our shower. So this vanity was actually located in the other side of the house, and we salvaged it and we moved it over here. The top counterpart weighs a ton. It's actually cast iron, so it has a little bit of wear in it, but it's from 1949, so kind of a cool save that we did. New plumbing for it, and it now lives in this bathroom.
So I'm going to talk about a little bit of the design touches, and we made this bathroom a little bit more funkier, at least in my opinion it is. So we got this cool mirror off of, I think it was Etsy, someone made it out of plywood, and it has that cool rounded edge and everything. And then I did a checkerboard stencil in the back just to modernize this old vintage vanity. So that was fun. And then I decided to put the light here because we have a huge skylight right above this sink, so the lighting is amazing in here. So you really don't need a ton of lighting, and I just like how this balanced the sink being over here. And we didn't talk about this. We put under cabinet lighting on this. It's on a switch. And we've done that in other bathrooms, and people really like that, so we had to do it here.
So this probably took the most work, was laying the tile, and this brick, we exposed it and we built like a little ledge here, and we put an LED strip, and so that can control the light over there if you want to hit it. So you can see what it looks like. You can use it on or off. It's on its own little switch. This brick we repointed. It didn't look like this when we originally took down the plaster off of it. It was pretty messy. It's all water sealed. I don't think any water will really ever get up there. And then our shower tile, this was tile that we picked up from the Restore, the Habitat for Humanity store, and we've had this in our basement probably for years, and we finally used it.
This is probably our best tiling job we've done.
Yeah, definitely.
Very proud of it.
The edges just look way better. We learned how to like measure and stop correctly, so you don't have like a little short piece or too thick of a grout line. And then the curtains are on a track, which make it very smooth for opening and closing.
Okay, this door is beautiful, and it has a cool story behind it. This door is my grandma's door. It came from her house in Ohio. She had a farmhouse. We took it out of her house there. We brought it all the way in a trailer, and we installed it for our bathroom door here, including all the trim. And it fits perfectly. It has her original crystal doorknob, and this lock works, which is super cool. So it's all functional, and I love that we can have it here. There we go. All right, so we left these floors, the original wood floors in here, and we have not resanded them and finished them yet. We actually did hardwoods in our other floor, so we know exactly how to seal it properly. We use like a boat varnish so that it's totally waterproof. So that's our next project. So this isn't 100% done, but it's pretty close. But I think it'll just look really cool and just, it brings it all together. So I'm excited. And this little stool is my grandma's sewing stool, and I just think it looks really cute. So there's the finished bathroom. So this bathroom, we did it under 10K, which is pretty good for a whole new, brand new added bathroom. We did hire out the electric and the plumbing, and the plumbers totally screwed things up. So that took an extra 2 months to get that fixed. It was a disaster. But after that, it was smooth sailing, and we did everything else ourselves. So we hope you liked it, and we hope it helps in just the cost breakdown.
Thanks for watching and consider subscribing. We're only 99,000 away from a silver play button.